My video guide is about getting rid of the new adware that is called CrownVanirty. CrownVanirty is a special adware that is specifically attacking Mac computers. This adware, by the way, is from the adload family. So this is the piece of a rogue software which we found while researching new submissions to the VirusTotal database. And after we have analyzed this program, this application, we found out that it actually operates as a typical adware. As adware, it is designed to run intrusive advertisement campaigns. In other words, it displays adverts on visited websites and on other interfaces. These ads can endorse online scams, unreliable or even harmful sites and software, and even malware. Some intrusive advertisements can perform stealthy downloads, installations when clicked. So if you have found this CrownVanirty or Vanirty adware on your Mac, go to your Finder, check your applications. Once you find this application, right-click on it and move it to the trash. If you find any other suspicious programs here on the list, get rid of them too. Finally, I would recommend that you thoroughly investigate your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on this official page, combocleaner.com. So download the program, install it, and then begin researching your system. Combo Cleaner, first of all, most likely should update its anti-malware database. And of course, this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware or adware. So anyway, wait until the antivirus database is updated and begin scanning, researching and investigating your computer with its help to detect and remove other threats. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.